So in this EQ Bank tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to open up an FHSA here on EQ Bank. So once EQ Bank's opened up, when you're on whatever screen, it doesn't really matter. Go to the top right and press on the three horizontal lines. Once you're on this page right here where it says manage my account, I want you to scroll down to see a bunch of different products that EQ Bank's currently offering. So once you're on the featured products page just like this, you're looking for an FHSA. So two options down, it says first home savings account. Go ahead and select that. It'll then bring you to this screen right here where you can go ahead and read all about the first home savings account. So in this case, it's going to give you 1.5% interest, deductibles for your contributions, high interest GICs, no monthly fees or minimums, why you'll love it, etc. So it kind of explains all about the EQ Bank savings account. Now, unlike other apps, this is strictly for GIC, so you can't actually invest in stocks or ETFs through EQ Bank. At this moment in time, you basically open up an account, a high interest savings account pretty much through GIC. So just make sure that if that interests you, of course, feel free to proceed. But if not, you're going to have to pivot to something different. But if you want to proceed, go to the bottom and press on Open FHSA. You can then scroll down and view the terms and conditions. Obviously, make sure you're doing your due diligence and reading all about it. And if you want to proceed and you want to open up the account, go to the bottom, press on Open up the account to start an FHSA this way through EQ Bank. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to open up an FHSA through EQ Bank. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.